Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to another video here on the Nobre Motorsport channel. Today we're going to show you one of the accessories that is very popular for the Audi A3. It's actually one of the first upgrades people tend to make to their car. People are always interested in modifications, and one of the first things they choose is the dynamic arrow on the rearview mirrors. So this one is the dynamic arrow on the rearview mirror for you to see. This one is the Fumet model, so it's a bit darker than usual. It's not clear, it's a little darker. And I think it's more attractive, especially in darker cars. In more dark colors, it looks better. The installation of this accessory is plug and play. The wiring comes exactly with the original factory plug. So as you can see, it fits the factory plug. There's no mistake. The back part where the screw comes from also matches the factory settings. Original from the factory, the locks, everything in the original format and its ignition is dynamic, which is that arrow that runs from end to end. Okay. We're selling this product and we have it ready for delivery. If you want to buy it, contact us on our Nobre Motorsport Instagram. The price we quote is always for the pair, plus shipping costs, and in addition to the dynamic arrows that you get. For your car, we provide some help for the installation. We provide a plastic wrench for the installation, the torque wrench, which is the matching wrench there so that you can install the accessory. You don't need to purchase any tools because tools come with it, so you can install it. I'll show you how it's already installed and in operation. And for those interested, contact us through Instagram at Nobre Motorsport. We'll give you a price, and we also provide product installation services. All the products we sell, we can install. If you are from outside of Sao Paulo, from somewhere far away, we send it by mail or by courier service. And now I'm going to show you how to uninstall the mirror cover. Firstly, there's a side lock here, and it's important to unlock this first, otherwise you will break the lock. Pull it backwards towards the hood of the car. Press it, pull it, and then the plug wire comes out. When you change it, you can take the original one out. Once you put the new one in, tighten it well so that it stays firmly in place. We have a screw to loosen right here at the tip. This entire plastic part at the top, including the freeze, is also part of it, and here's the screw. You don't need to loosen it fully, just loosen it a little. It comes out upwards. If you completely loosen it, you run the risk of dropping it inside. There's another screw that's inside. Let me move my hand in order to focus on that screw. That's the screw you need to remove. To do that, which is a bit annoying, you have to remove the lens. You will electronically push the entire lens over to the driver's side. Insert your hand here through the side of the lens, slowly so you can remove the entire lens. I'm not going to do it because it's a lot of work, but you will turn the lens entirely towards here, put your hand behind it and pull it out slowly. Don't use any wrench or screwdriver, you could break the lens. When you remove the lens, you will see that in this direction there is a little screw. Then you will loosen this screw and this entire freeze will be loose. You will be able to pull it out and it will come out as one piece. You will take the other new one, fit it here, put on the lens side screw I showed you, and screw it in place. After that, you'll remove this screw from the original piece and install it on the new piece. Then, you'll tighten this one and the one over there. Through the glass space, you're going to put the lens in before attaching the cover. Install the lens first, then finally, you're going to put the cover back together. Let me assemble the cover here for you to take a look. To assemble the cover, we'll first align this guide pin to lock it here on the side. There's a little hole where we'll fit it, so we look at the side here to check if it is in the correct place. If it's at the right angle, that's it. Now on this part, you're going to push it with your 2 fingers to fit it into the mirror finish, okay? Then push. And now it fits. Let me show you the finishing touch. The finish was perfect, and as you can see, it was also perfect here. The car's a little dirty, since I haven't polished it for a while. The side finish is perfect here as well. Everything is correct, okay? So this is how you assemble and disassemble a mirror cover, and how to replace this little freeze for the blinker LED on the mirror, okay? The product choice is up to the customer, as is the shipping method you are most interested in. So that's all. Take care everyone. Bye.